Dubai. My name is Muansangi, 25 years young, coming from the most peaceful state of the country, Mizoram. The two things I love about Mizoram are the hostility of the people and its peaceful environment, and I love singing, painting and reading. Currently, I'm a teacher trainee and I hope to become a good teacher in the future. And I strongly believe that giving the right education to children from childhood is crucial for their upbringing and for humanity. Our country needs kindness and gentleness more than cleverness. And we need humanity, which is the biggest lesson I've learned in life. And my passion is to make people believe in humanity through my actions and words. And I hope to achieve that passion through Miss India. Thank you. Hello.
Hi everyone. Believing that dreams are not magic, it only comes from determination and hard work. And also believing that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. My parents has raised me with these beautiful words and named me as Celina the Chakma, hailing from the abode of clouds Meghalaya Shillong. And I'm extremely obliged that pageants like this gives us young women a voice to speak for women empowerment and also personify what kindness, compassion and love is all about. I've completed my graduation in business management and taken finance as my specialization. I'm 21 years old. So I've had this one dream, one thought and one aim to change my world. Thank you.
There's no country, it isn't hard to do. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way.